Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. And as you can see that gold looks unstoppable. Gold made a high of 343738, and now we can see that after some retracement, gold is trading around 3424 area while recording the video. If you look at the chart of gold, then obviously there is no doubt that this market is bullish because we can clearly see gold forming higher highs and higher lows. But if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold dips on US trade deals. Gold dipped to around 3420 per ounce on Wednesday, stepping a 3-day winning streak and pulling back slightly from a 5-week high, pressured by a wave of trade deals that dampened the metal safe haven appeal. So, as per the article, gold was bullish because market was uncertain regarding the trade deals, because of which gold was flying. But as trade deals are happening right now, gold is losing the safe haven appeal, as a result of which we can see that gold is down. But technically we can clearly see that the market is still bullish. So we need to follow the chart as of now. During the day, if things change, then obviously we can change our trading style. But as of now, we can clearly see market is bullish. So let's plan our trades accordingly. Anyway, lots of things happen during the day. Market also changes direction. So for timely updates, analysis, feel free to join the free Telegram community, because yesterday also when gold was crazy bullish during the US session, I updated on the community because uploading a video is not possible, and I record the video in the Asian session, and during the European session, US session, many things happen. So for timely updates, please join the free Telegram community from the link in the description. There are lots of scams also going on in my name with big groups. Please stay away, only join the community from the link in the description. Now, if we look at the bigger picture here, then we can see that the structure is bullish. And in a situation like this, we have seen the price action works very well. So the next best support on the chart of gold where we can look for buy is around 34052, 3400. Yesterday also, when gold was somewhere around here, I updated on the Telegram community that this will be the support, and yes, market took support around this area and market bounced. So today also the support of 340500 is a valid level. During the day, if market continues the retracement, observe the market around this area. Hopefully market will be able to take support, and this will be a good buy. The second support level on the chart of gold, 767, same logic, the previous sense will be working as support. So on the chart of gold, if we look at the bigger picture, then these are the two best support levels where we can look for a buy, because right now the chart seems to be bullish, and buy at retracement or buy at dip is the best trading strategy. So these are the two levels where you can look for a buy if you are looking for a fresh position in the market. And if you already have a buy on gold, you can continue with your buy position with your SL below 3400. Means hold your buy because further upside is possible. And if you're looking for a fresh position, simple strategy, buy at retracement or buy at dip. But sometimes the market is arrogant. Market doesn't want to come for retracement. On that scenario, buy at breakout is the only trading strategy for traders. So here, if we look at the overall chart here, then the buy at breakout scenario will come above 3441. You can see market made a high of almost 343940. So if market breaks 3441, we can look for a buy above it, considering it as a breakout. But you need to keep in mind that the road is not going to be an easy one, because if we zoom out the chart, you can see we have a resistance around 3450. So 3450, 3445, this level is going to cause some trouble. During the day, if you see that there is a sudden bullish move in the market is going up, then you can look for a buy above 3441. Otherwise, if the volume remains like this, then I feel that market will face some trouble to cross this area. So this level, okay, may be some may be problematic. So what you can do is, if you buy above 3441, listen to me carefully, if you buy above 3441, okay, observe the market, okay, after 30 to 40 pips. If you see market has further potential, okay, then go for it. Otherwise, you can book 50% profit at 40 pips and set break even, because you need to book your profit as well. Because if there is a sudden reversal from 3 4 4 6 4 7, you will be stuck in a bad trade. So after 40 pips, try to book your profit if you see that, okay, market is struggling. Okay, and be careful. And during the day or during the US session, especially if you see the market is going up with big green candles, then you can expect that, okay, we are going for a new all-time high. Otherwise, it can be a trap also. Okay, and you can see that I have drawn one more line here. Okay, let me take you to the 15 minutes chart to understand better. Okay, so during the day, okay, if you see market is going above 3430, we can look for a buy above it. Okay, just a small buy, do not expect much as a day trader. Okay, if you want to go for a small buy above this level, you can go for a small buy as well, because right now while recording the video, this seems to be the range of the market, and I don't think so market will stay inside this range for a long time. So if market goes up, see, market may not be able to break 3450, but at least it should be able to break 3430. As a day trader, you can expect to expect 50 to 60 pips around this area as well. Okay, and obviously, okay, if market drops, okay, if market drops and breaks 3418, you can look for a sell, but keep in mind this is a super high risk sell, because honestly I'm not going to take this step. Usually I prefer to go with the trend of the market, and taking a sell below 341819 is going against the trend of the market. But if you have expertise, if you have experience, it's your personal decision. But overall, we can see the market is bullish as of now, okay, while recording the video. So it is better for us and safer for us to be on the buy side only. And in a market condition like this, buy and retracement is the best trading strategy. Okay, if you have any ongoing buy, you can continue with your buy. But if you're looking for a fresh position, you can look for buy around 3405, 3400 or 33717576 area. But those levels are far away. That is the issue here. Okay, and we do not have any immediate levels. And if market goes up, we can look for a buy above 3430 area, but we also need to be cautious, okay, while going for a breakout above 3441. Yeah, 41, because we have a resistance. बहुत बड़ा resistance है वहाँ पे. So only time will tell, okay, whether market will be able to break the resistance or market will just reverse, okay, because it is too early to predict the market right now. Okay, and as I already said, okay, going against the trend of the market is high risk. So if you want to go for a sell below 3418, it's your choice. Personally, I'm not going to take, but yes, we do have an opportunity there as well. Be careful, follow proper risk management, do not gamble.